Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. As you can tell, we are at a lake. We are no longer in the city for the moment. We are making our way towards Canada because we need to get maintenance done on the ambo before we start heading down to our next journey. This is where we slept. It's a pack-in, pack-out area, basically. You can stay anywhere on this field, but just be careful. Are you so excited to get on the road?
Yes, that's why I already turned around the car.
I saw that. I was like, he's leaving.
No, I was just turning it around. I'm excited. I'm happy to go get it done, and I'm just happy to be on the road. City was fun for a little bit, but it got old. Let's get going.
Yeah. About that.
I hate this state. No, I'm just kidding. It is what it is. It's expensive, definitely, to drive a diesel truck here. But what are you gonna do?
Spit in the tank? We have made it to Oregon. We just got fuel, and before that we got some Denny's for lunch, and we are now at Crater Lake, and I wanted to check it out before they like close the trail to access the lake, like the legal trail, but I think that's already closed, and plus like no one's here to even monitor that because the government is still shut down and there's no workers basically. So we came to take a look at it. Let's go check it out. This is what it looks like outside. It's like misty. It's like a light rain. There's still snow on the floor. There's just not going to be any visibility, I'm afraid. We have reached, yet again, Crater Lake National Park. Beautiful. Beautiful sights. There was one time we came and the lake was visible, and it truly is very beautiful. I did want to try and go down this trip, but oh my god. Clearly that's not gonna happen this time. Can't even see it. The trail to the bottom is probably closed by now, so let's get out of this weather.
How did you like the view?
It was the best view I've ever seen in my life.
Better than last time, huh?
Yeah. It was nice. It's nice seeing the rain fall sideways.
Yeah, sometimes it even goes like this, like kind of upwards.
Remember when it was snowing up?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the worst.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It is now the following day. We slept at a travel center last night, so we are getting up now, getting ready to go. I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and go get a coffee. This is where we slept, the Redmond Travel Center.
How did you sleep?
Pretty good. Not too cold.
Yeah.
It was nice. It was a little bit loud at first with all the cars, but it ended up quieting down.
Yeah, I was freezing.
You have 2 blankets and I have 1. I don't know what to tell you.
I know.
We've got about 7 hours of driving till we get to our destination. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's early enough, so we can do it today. We're probably gonna get there in the evening.
Yeah.
Like late evening, probably around 6 or 7 p.m.
That's not too bad.
7 hours, it's around 10, 11 hours for us.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm ready for it. It's nice outside. The views are gonna be beautiful. What are you doing?
Just waiting.
Huh?
Just waiting.
Oh, getting some propane. Yeah, so you can have a hot shower and a hot tea.
And hot tea. It's gonna be really good.
I know, it's gonna be tea weather all week. How much are you disgusted with the city vibes already?
Too much. You need to pay attention.
I know.
There's too much traffic.
There's too much going on right now.
Tell me you reached Seattle without telling me you reached Seattle. You've reached Seattle. You start convulsing. Yay, traffic! Did you miss the traffic?
No. The last time I was here, it was even worse because all of this was backed up too. So it's not as bad.
We finally made it to Canada. It is now 7 p.m. It's been a whole day of driving. It's exhausting. I am tired. He is tired. We are gonna get ready to go to bed. But we just stopped at Walmart, as you can tell over here, to just get a couple of things that we needed. We got some eggs too, so because we didn't know if we could bring them over the border. So we got eggs here. But we are almost to our destination and we're gonna get some rest. See you in the morning. Have a good night.